Large hail struck Texas and the town of Leakey when a powerful thunderstorm moved across the hill country, unleashing enormous ice stones that pounded the small community and shocked residents with the storm's sudden violent arrival.
That I don't know.
Either way, if that's screwed, I'm going to take the roof. Loosen it all. That's great. God.
The hail fell with extraordinary force, producing stones reported between 3 and 4 inches across. Residents described the noise on rooftops and vehicles as deafening, while streets quickly became covered with scattered chunks of ice. Vehicles were among the most heavily affected property during the storm. Windshields cracked, car bodies were dented, and parked trucks and family cars across driveways and streets showed severe impact marks from the giant hail. Local businesses also experienced serious losses as the hailstorm swept through town. Storefront glass broke, outdoor equipment was destroyed, and several small establishments faced costly repairs that temporarily disrupted normal daily operations.
Just hit my truck. Right there. Well, we're
One of the most dramatic scenes occurred at a local plant nursery, where thousands of plants were crushed by the storm. Pots shattered across the ground, while heavy ice stones flattened rows of vegetation. Homes across Leakey suffered visible damage as windows shattered and roofs were dented by the falling hail. Many houses required immediate inspection after the storm because the impact of the stones weakened shingles and exposed structures. Emergency vehicles were not spared from the storm's damage either. Several law enforcement patrol cars were struck by hail that dented metal panels and cracked windows, forcing some units to be temporarily removed from active service. Roads and outdoor areas were briefly coated with hail, creating hazardous conditions for drivers and pedestrians. In some locations, the ice accumulated enough to resemble a thin blanket scattered across streets and fields. Despite the dangerous conditions, emergency responders continued working to assist residents. Authorities monitored damage reports and helped secure affected neighborhoods while the storm slowly moved away from the Leakey area. After the storm passed, residents began assessing the destruction across homes, vehicles, and businesses. Cleanup efforts quickly started as families removed broken glass, cleared debris, and documented damage for insurance claims. The hailstorm became one of the most memorable severe weather events in the Leakey area. While injuries were avoided, the widespread property damage highlighted how powerful thunderstorms in Texas can suddenly bring destructive hail to small communities.